Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If DoorDash suddenly stops letting you add a payment card, it can become upsetting when you are ready to place an order and everything seems stuck at checkout. Sometimes the app keeps showing an error after entering card details, while other times the card simply refuses to save without much explanation. A problem like this can happen because of account settings, payment details, app delays, or information that needs a quick review before everything works normally again. Before assuming something major is wrong with your account or card, there are a few simple things worth checking because many payment setup issues can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix DoorDash not letting you add a card. Try these. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app and check that the account stays signed in properly before adding payment details. Step 2. Review the card information entered in the DoorDash app and confirm numbers, expiration date, and details match correctly. Step 3. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data on the device using the DoorDash app if the payment page seems stuck. Step 4. Close and reopen the DoorDash app to refresh the payment section before trying again. Step 5. Remove older payment methods from the DoorDash app if saved cards seem to interrupt new additions. Step 6. Try adding the card again inside the DoorDash app and confirm payment details saved successfully.